Hey campers, in today's episode, I want to go over this brand new 2023 Starcraft 25 toy hauler. Alright, so starting right up front on this camper, we have our Lippert power tongue jack, 2 5/16 ball, two 30-pound propane tanks, L-shaped brackets back here for battery and battery boxes. This is my first time into some of this unit, so bear with me. Front pass-through storage on the outside. Magnetic door holders. Nice large awning on there. I believe it's a 14-footer, but don't quote me. I will share all the specs in the end of the video. Exhaust up top. Outside speakers on both sides of the windows. Outside 110 outlets. Dual axle with nitrogen-filled tires. Going around to the back deck and the huge garage door. We will go inside in a second. Over on the outside in the back corner, we also have another exhaust. Since you're putting toys in there and things with gasoline, they put exhaust on there so we're not breathing in the fumes. In the back right corner is a Lippert. Right there is a Lippert ladder rack mount. It does not come with a ladder rack, but it is a Lippert mount for the ladder rack that's now available. Windows, vent, power, furnace exhaust, potable water, water heater, low point drains, and your dump station over here. Into your docking station right above that with your outside shower and your fresh water fills and coaxial cable. Over here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Walking in the solid step with the entry door handle. As soon as you walk in, you'll see the beautiful back view. That gate does turn into a back deck. Nice little bar here, right here. Then we go into the recliners that are movable. Movable table. Jackknife sofa. That does actually turn into a bed, and it goes up against the wall like a Murph bed too. So it's like a jackknife Murph bed. Then we have our bunk system above. Nice queen size bunk up top. And the best part about it, check this out. Now it's out of the way. Huge garage area. I will share all the specs in the end. Now we go into our kitchen. Huge stainless steel sink with the cabinets below. Drawers, cabinet. Over into the oven. 3-burner stove up top. Hood and vent with a microwave. Cabinets. Plenty of space on top of the cabinets. Over into your beautiful fridge. Which this is a 12-volt fridge right here. Ran off your battery. Going into your entertainment, onto the front wall, backer plate for your TV, stereo below that connects to the TV with the USB and the HDMI. You also have Bluetooth compatibility, spot for your DVDs and books, fuse box below. Then we're getting over into the hallway. Thermostat, bathroom. Bathroom right here comes with a nice upgraded shower door with the glass, skylight above, or the fan above. Into your vanity, the sink. There are 2 entrances into the bathroom and into the bedroom. Full walk around bed in here. That is a queen size bed. Wardrobes on the side. Cabinet above, or shelving above. Wardrobe over here. Down below there's plugs and charging stations with a nice nightstand on both sides. And to show you, right there's the view from the bed. You do have a TV backer over on the wall over here. You are wired up for solar as well. That's what that little thing's telling you. And we're entering the other door back into the hallway. Bam. Not a bad view for walking out your bedroom. To bring down the bed too, all you do is grab and pull. Hey campers, thanks for watching my walkthrough. Please check out all my other videos, and as promised, the specs are going to be right after this. I also want to let you know in some upcoming future videos, I do have 2 more Starcraft toy haulers coming in, and I will be the first to show you some of these awesome walkthroughs. So, subscribe and check back. Thanks for watching.